welcome to our YouTube channel. Coming up, Sibahle. For the returning people, thank you. For the new ones, please stay. Please stay. Just for me. Today is Thursday, and it's my husband's birthday. So the plan was to do lunch, and then he had a call from work. So I decided to do laundry. Because I think you see, oh my god. Yeah, before I leave. So I thought I'd do some work and then I'd go, oh my skin. Ooh, guys. Zalan. I wanted to do some work and then go do my hair, and then his lunch will turn into a dinner. Because we would take garbage. But now it's like 1:30. It's 1:30. And I have a meeting at some 17 or 2. So I'll probably leave it too. I won't look crusty. I will change. I will transform. They chose to walk up the driveway instead of drive up. I understand. So I thought I was gonna be able to change, like get ready to leave before my meeting and then attend my meeting. Saluguti. Saluguti ngipeke like it was a Timsani in the car and then leave. But as you can see, I'm preoccupied now. I have to join my meeting with him. He promised to be quiet. I will cry if you are not quiet. I will cry. But yeah. And my husband also called us. I'm filming on the plane. It's not funny. But yeah, I'm going to join my meeting. Can you not do stuff like that? But yeah, he's born because my hands are full. Hopefully I'll get a picture, but we'll see. I was vlogging. I only got an opportunity now to do my hair, and for late. It's like 1:45, and because my husband was cutting the grass, I couldn't leave and was shoot him son. So now I'm only going to do my hair. But it's Sunday, so I'm sure dropping here will be bad. But we'll see. Yes. Okay, I don't really like it because because it did. But anyway, I'll fix it at home. She also cut my split ends, hence the length of the hair. I wanted to take a video on this dropping because I executed a parallel packing first time. Like it was gorgeous. But again, we are sneaking on my par. I was afraid. I was scared. But anyway, I'm at Pav now. It's so hot, Jesus. And I want to get a few supplies, like from Discam and stuff, and then go home. Hey, hi guys. Excuse the outfit change. I had to shoot something for a friend. It's gonna go up on my Instagram page. Please engage. Thank you. I wanted to do a quick haul of everything that I got. I ended up going to more shops than Discam. Actually, to Clicks. Shock of my life. I got pocket tissues, lotion. I got CeraVe face wash. I got the spritzer, and I also got foundation and a concealer. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Concealer 5, foundation 6. It cost me 800 rand. Basically 6 things cost me 800 rand. Shock of my life, that's good. And then I wanted something because the campaign I was doing, or whatever I was shooting for, needed like a Christmas theme, but I ended up not wearing it. I chose to just wear white. I got this from this price. I like the material. It's like a vest, but like a warm vest. My team ordered it. It was 200 rand. And then I got these price. How cute are these? I could have stolen my sister's. I actually didn't put these. Let's see. I could have stolen my sister's, but I think most of the time I'm size 2, she will get a size 2. Just so I don't see it. And then I got a diffuser from At Home in Orchid Bloom. And I got slippers. My slippers, if I had to show you my slippers all the time, let me just wear these now. I'll get up. My slippers are something else. Just gonna put these on now. Because these take a week off. And I got this because I was thirsty. And then I got magnolia oil from Pep. Yeah, that's it. Now, putting your pal, I can hear my son crying. I'm gonna go dish up dinner, and then we're gonna shower and sleep. I just got a text from work, from my WhatsApp group, that tomorrow we're working from home, so maybe I'll just extend the vlog longer. Am I working from home tomorrow? And I might have guests over later on. I don't know. If I do, then I'll film that. Yeah, but for now, morning guys. I just came here to close off the vlog. As yesterday I spoke about hosting friends, but they haven't confirmed, and I'm really tired and I'm stressed by work, so I think I'm just gonna close it off here. Look at my view, how pretty. Let's look at all the greenery. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also follow me on socials. On Instagram I am at Sibahle_Khumalo_Keswa. Facebook is Sibahle Khumalo. TikTok is Sibahle Khumalo. Thank you and bye.